So yes, I'm here in Melbourne, guys. And I'm taking coffee. Lagot man ang signer. It's around 2 a.m. Close ang internet. Paano naman? See you for the ganap for coming days, guys. So hi guys, we're here in Melbourne na, guys. Here in the hotel. We're close with that one with the Wheel of Fortune image. So we're going into Esseto. Wala. Gulbaan ko. Sabi ko nabili ng bag. So right here.
A few moments later.
Good morning. Great morning. Hello, Melbourne. Guys, mayong aga, no? Bagay ka-init nila, guys. Init yung adlaw, hindi kita pa akong kaso init siya. Pero ang place is malamig. Yeah, that's Melbourne, guys. Ano ba? We're here in Melbourne. From Mindanao to Melbourne. So guys, punta tayo ng venue for fitting ng models. Pagkain natin, check. Nakalimot mo siya?
Oo, ano yung pera?
Kasi, antayin na lang kita dito, sir.
Kahit yan na lang.
Sige. My God. Guys, I'm here. Kung kami may traffic. Alas na yun.
May over ka ba, sir?
Oo. Meron, sir. Mag-Uber pa tayo. Doon ba sila mag-fitting?
Oo.
Ay, doon daw?
Hindi, doon.
咱们这边好像。
So Ganda naman ng bulaklak. Just enjoy the chaos. Ganda. Is it real? Parang hindi totoo. Ang ganda. Guys, nawala kami. nawala namin yung Uber. Bright. Yeah, hindi po famous. Ano lang.
Ano nga ba tayo mo, sir?
JR, sir.
Yeah,
Nice ang place, guys. Look.
Australia, sir.
Thank you so much. Ay. Ganda ng bulaklak.